Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloodstrike. First, get comfortable with the basic controls for movement, aiming, and firing your weapon. Each character has unique abilities, so learn how and when to activate them for maximum impact during combat. Understanding your chosen game mode's objective is also key to securing victory. Practice these fundamentals to build a strong foundation, ensuring you are ready for any challenge. Bloodstrike offers a wide array of weapons, from fast-firing submachine guns to powerful sniper rifles. Experiment to find what suits your playstyle best. Customize your chosen weapons with various attachments like scopes and grips to enhance their performance. Always prioritize collecting armor plates and medical kits. These are crucial for staying alive and winning gunfights. Mastering the map is vital for strategic play. Always keep an eye on your minimap to track enemy movements and objective locations. Use environmental cover, like walls and crates, to protect yourself during firefights. Gaining high ground often provides a significant advantage, offering better sightlines. Effective communication with your teammates is also essential for coordinated pushes and defensive stands. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. Spend time in the training grounds to refine your aim and recoil control. Master advanced movement techniques, such as sliding and jumping, to make yourself a harder target and navigate the map quickly. Observing skilled players can also provide valuable insights into new strategies and tactical approaches, helping you elevate your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.